guys, if you are looking to up your Instagram game by posting to multiple accounts at once, this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily post to multiple accounts without having log in and out each time. So make sure to watch this video until the end to save your time and to impress your followers. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up your Instagram account, and after that you have to make sure that your all other account on which you want to post that are also logged into your Instagram. As you guys can see that I have logged into 3 accounts here. Now to post my photo, I will simply click on the profile icon and then I will click on the plus at the top right corner of the screen. Here I have to select a post. Then from here I will choose a random picture from the gallery to post, and after that I will click on the arrow. Here you can add any of the filters or edit the photo, and after that you simply have to again click on the arrow. Now as you guys can see that my account has been logged in. Then here you can see the account name. Now to post my photo to other account as well, I simply have to enable the option right next to my account name, and after that you have to click on continue, and you have to again click on continue, and you have to click on add account. It may take up to a few seconds. Once your option is enabled, you can simply click on the check mark and click on the tick to post the photo, and after that your photo will be posted on both of the accounts or all of the accounts which you have enabled. Okay, so guys, this was the easiest and quick way to post a photo on multiple accounts at once. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.